Today I am reviewing the JBL Xtreme 3 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The JBL Xtreme 3 Portable Bluetooth Speaker is a powerful, rugged, and highly versatile speaker designed for people who want loud, clear, and deep sound wherever they go. It builds on JBL's reputation for delivering high-quality audio, and it takes things further with strong bass, long battery life, and a durable, outdoor-ready design. Starting with sound quality, the JBL Xtreme 3 delivers what it calls JBL Original Pro Sound, and it truly lives up to that name. With 4 drivers and dual bass radiators, the speaker produces a rich, full-bodied audio experience. The sound is loud, clear, and well-balanced, with a strong emphasis on deep bass. This makes it perfect for genres like hip-hop, EDM, and pop, where bass plays a big role. At the same time, vocals remain clear, and high frequencies are crisp, so it performs well across different types of music. Whether you're listening indoors or outdoors, the sound easily fills the space. One of the standout features is the bass performance. The bass radiators help deliver that signature JBL punch, giving music a powerful and immersive feel. Even at higher volumes, the speaker maintains clarity without significant distortion, which is impressive for a portable device. This makes it ideal for parties, outdoor gatherings, or even casual listening at home when you want a more dynamic sound. Battery life is another major strength. The JBL Xtreme 3 offers up to 15 hours of playtime, allowing you to enjoy music throughout the day without worrying about constant recharging. This makes it perfect for long trips, beach days, or outdoor events. It also includes a built-in Powerbank feature, so you can charge your smartphone or other devices directly from the speaker. This adds a layer of convenience, especially when you're away from a power source. Durability is where the JBL Xtreme 3 truly shines. It comes with an IP67 waterproof and dustproof rating, which means it can handle exposure to water, dust, and even short submersion. You can confidently take it to the beach, poolside, or on camping trips without worrying about damage from splashes or dust. This rugged design makes it one of the most reliable speakers for outdoor use. The build quality is solid and premium. It features a durable fabric covering and rugged rubber housing that protects the internal components. It also includes a convenient shoulder strap, making it easy to carry despite its size. While it is not the smallest speaker, the added size contributes to its powerful sound output and deeper bass response. Connectivity is simple and efficient with Bluetooth streaming. You can connect up to 2 devices at the same time, allowing you and a friend to take turns playing music without needing to disconnect and reconnect. This is great for social settings, where multiple people want to share control over the playlist. Another great feature is Party Boost, which allows you to connect multiple compatible JBL speakers together. You can pair 2 speakers for stereo sound or link multiple speakers to create a much larger sound system. This is perfect for parties or larger gatherings where you want to amplify the sound and create a more immersive audio experience. In terms of usability, the controls are straightforward and easy to access. You have physical buttons on the speaker for power, volume, play/pause, and pairing, making it simple to operate without needing to rely on your phone. The speaker is also compatible with most Bluetooth-enabled devices, including smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Overall, the JBL Xtreme 3 is an excellent portable speaker that combines powerful sound, strong bass, long battery life, and rugged durability into one premium package. It is designed for users who want more than just basic audio. It's built for those who want an immersive listening experience wherever they go. If you're looking for a high-quality portable Bluetooth speaker for parties, outdoor adventures, or everyday use, the JBL Xtreme 3 stands out as one of the best options available. It delivers the perfect balance of power, portability, and durability, making it a top choice for music lovers who want reliable performance and impressive sound quality in any environment.